Just thought I'd put a video together in case anybody's thinking about getting one of these solo rack messenger bags. So I got mine the other day and fitted it. It's actually more, rather than a messenger bag, it's more like a second trunk. So this is my Roadmaster, which is stripped down solo saddle and the solo rack on it. So here we go. Very secure. Unclips in 4 spots and then opens up. You got, so that's just the cover, and you got inside compartment. Comes with a shoulder strap, and then inside there's enough room in there to put in a laptop. It's got 2 pockets, one either side. A little bit of storage, so you get in there. What have I got that I can show you? Nothing. So it actually slips on. So if I take it off, so it's got these really neat little buckles that slip onto the solo saddle. Give me another hand. So that's the little buckle that clips on to the solo rack, sorry, not the solo saddle. And likewise, it's got a carry handle here at the top, so you just push it off. So that's the solo rack, it goes on and it goes in there. And to put it back again, you just simply do the reverse, slide it on. And these buckles, that clips onto the shoulder strap. I'll show you the shoulder strap. That's all it has at the end for those buckles to clip into. Or those, I don't know what you call those things. That. So you could clip them onto the grab rail if you really wanted to. But see, as it's designed to clip onto that. That's it. That's really secure when it's on. 4 little buttons to close it up. And that's it. It's really heavy, it's really thick, substantial leather. It's really cool. It's really solid. So it's almost like a little suitcase. It's almost as big as some of my carry-on luggage I take on planes. But yeah. Plenty of storage in there if you've only got the solo and you don't have the option of the trunk with the Roadmaster. And they're on, I bought that on specials on the, what's it called, the discount page on the Indian website. It's 250 I think. Yeah, anyway, you might like to see it.